The National Bureau of Investigation issues results of the paraffin test conducted on their alleged driver/volunteer following last week's shooting incident in the Senate building. Joash Malimban is on the phone from the CIDG for the details. Go ahead, Joash.
An alleged National Bureau of Investigation or NBI driver/volunteer arrested over last week's shooting incident at the Senate tested positive for gunpowder residue. Although authorities said the result remains inconclusive at this time. The Southern Police District confirmed that the paraffin test conducted on 40-year-old Mel Oragon yielded positive results, indicating possible recent discharge of a firearm. Oragon was arrested after several gunshots were heard at the Senate on Wednesday night. The incident happened after Senate Sergeant-at-Arms Mau Aplaska and his personnel confronted individuals believed to be NBI agents who were allegedly trying to enter the chamber. NBI Director Melvin Matibag maintained that Oragon was not an NBI employee but only a volunteer. Matibag also denied deploying NBI agents to the Senate, saying Bureau personnel were sent to the nearby Government Service Insurance System or GSIS building after a request for security assistance. Mai.
Joash, is it clear now kung bakit Oragon fired his weapon? May motive ba?
May linawin lang natin, sabi ng SPD kanina, hindi pa raw conclusive if talagang nagpaputok ng baril itong si Oragon. Although, the paraffin test kasi ay ginagawa lang daw para makita kung merong gunpowder residue. Pero yun nga, sabi nga sa atin kanina, hindi pa daw talaga conclusive if talagang nagpaputok siya ng baril. Tinanong din natin kung ano ba yung sakaling motive nito, kung meron bang defense na present si Oragon doon sa SPD since na-inquest na siya. Pero ang sabi ng SPD sa atin ay no comment pa raw itong si Oragon so far.
Okay, being a so-called volunteer, sinasabi ng NBI driver at volunteer siya, was he authorized to be there in the Senate premises?
That's also part of the investigation pa raw ngayon, May, ng SPD dahil sa ngayon hindi pa raw sila makapagbigay ng talagang detailed information with regards to this alleged NBI driver/volunteer. Sa ngayon daw, tinitingnan pa daw nila yung iba't ibang mga posibilidad at yung magiging pinakaresulta ng investigasyon ng SOCO, pati ng mga otoridad na talaga nakatutok sa investigasyon nung pagpunta nung alleged NBI driver dito sa Senate kung saan siya allegedly ay nahuli. May.
Pero 5 days after the incident, wala pa rin clear answers. Hindi nyo ba tinatanong yan sa NBI or sa PNP-CIDG?
Exactly, May. Yun rin yung tinanong natin kanina sa SPD. At ang sabi nila ay talagang no comment pa raw itong si Oragon. Although, we've received reports, May, kanina na possible na dumating dito mamaya yung NBI, possibly mga high officials ng NBI para mag-submit doon sa sabina ng CIDG with regards din dito sa investigation. So mamaya, let's hope na mamaya ma-interview natin yung mga high NBI officials na mabigyan tayo ng linaw doon sa nangyaring insidente nga sa Senate last week. Mike.
Final question, Joash. Malinaw ba kung ano yung status ngayon ni Oragon? Kakasuhan ba siya?
May na-charge na siya doon sa with regards dun nga sa incident sa Senate. Pero the information we have now is that he will be released on bail for today, May.
Ano ang charges specifically?
Hindi pa natin nakuha yung exact detailed charges nito, pero ang sinabi ng SPD, kaugnay ito nung nangyaring kaguluhan. Although hindi pa naman na-charge siya with regards doon sa pagpapatok ng firearm dahil nga hindi pa conclusive yung sinabi ng SPD na nagpaputok ng firearm itong si Oragon. Pero yun nga, isa sa mga titingnan na lang anggulo ng investigation. Bye.
All right, thank you, Joash Malimban, reporting to us from the PNP-CIDG.